Alright, just reporting that yesterday's tornado scare.
Look at our tornado, our tomato tree. Well, today we are going to run a couple of errands, like always, and it's Friday. I always forget to wear this shirt on Fridays.
Alright, just reporting that yesterday's tornado scare turned out to be just that. It did not touch down near us. I don't know if it had touched somewhere else. I didn't hear any reports of it, so it looked like something was forming, but it actually dissolved itself. So hopefully we can continue the summer and not get any tornadoes or even tornado scares. So we'll watch out for that.
Look at our tomato tree. We didn't even plant it yet, but it's already growing really good tomatoes. Maybe that really bad thunderstorm helped. But look at that. Those are going to come in really nice. Now, Dad.
Okay. Absolutely nothing.
So now we are at the pool. And it's funny how the last time we were here, we got chased by that tornado, which was yesterday. What do you have to say about that, Daisy? Well, guys, I've been at the pool for a little while, maybe about an hour. And it's really fun, like especially the diving board, but when I heard that you weren't allowed to wear goggles, that was like really hard, but surprising how quickly you could actually get used to doing it without them, because a couple days ago, when I first found that out, I was struggling, I was nauseous, my eyes were irritating me and everything. Today, it's not really that bad, so yeah.
My little warrior.
Thanks.
Very good. I told you, a few days it'll be fine. Just getting used to it, that's all.
Anything else you want to say?
No, I'm just proud of you. Bye, everybody.
Well, now we're out of the pool, and we're gonna kind of like just chill out the rest of the night, watch some HD TV for the last time on our couch. That's right, guys. Tomorrow, when we're getting our new couch is gonna be delivered, and we don't know what we're gonna do with our old one. But you know, it was a nice couch, but I am so excited for this new couch. And we're also gonna get the car. They have free gas and free car washing because we just got the car. So, how was your day? So, yeah.
She won't go. And I said, oh, we're going to give it a whirl.
And that's how I'm a swimmer today.
Yep.
Good night. Thanks for watching.